Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Muhammad Asif, and you are watching my YouTube channel, Asif's Living with Tea Videos. Dear viewers, it's really very cold day. That's why I am wearing such type of stuff. Today I am talking about certain variables which are very, very important in research, and that is dependent variable and independent variable. There is a relationship between dependent variable and independent variables. We can also say that this relationship is basically the relationship between cause and effect. That if you are doing a research and there are two variables in your research or three variables in your research, there must be some dependent variable and independent variable. So dependent variable are basically those variables which depend on independent variable. Again, dependent variable is that variable which depends on independent variable. It means that independent variables are basically the causes and their effect is the dependent variable. There is one property of independent variable that if we manipulate this independent variable, this manipulation basically cause effect in dependent variable. For example, if we say that cigarette cause cancer. Now, cigarette is basically the cause, which is independent variable. While its effect cancer, it is dependent variable. We can manipulate this independent variable, but we cannot manipulate the dependent variable. For example, if a person smoke one cigarette per day, the effect of cancer will be less. But if we increase the amount of cigarette, the, its effect will result in increased probability of cancer. So that's why we can say that dependent variable, which is cancer, depends on independent variable, which is cigarette. And we can manipulate this independent variable. And based on this independent variable, its effect dependent variable. We can take another example. For example, if we say that team-based learning means TBL affect critical thinking of the student. Now someone can say that where is the dependent variable and where is the independent variable. In this case, this TBL is independent variable, while critical thinking is dependent variable. For example, if we increase team-based learning sessions, the critical thinking of the students will be increased. If we decrease the sessions of team-based learning, the critical thinking of the students will not be improved. That's why we say that this critical thinking is dependent variable while this TBL is independent variable. So this is the difference between dependent and independent variable. Again, one sentence which is most important, and that is that dependent variable depends on independent variable. So hope so that you would like my video. Like if you like. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.